Hey everyone, I want to show you a few products that I received from Mfish for this showcase. The 65-watt Rhino with a retractable charging cable. The 140-watt Rhino with 3 USB Type-C ports and 1 Type-A. The big Rhino E-Tank at 240 watt, 3 outlets with 4 USB Type-C ports. And finally, their Armored Dragon 1 cable can be used as both Type-C and Lightning cable. Alright then, let's jump into some unboxing. What I've noticed is that the build quality feels excellent and durable, the design is stylish, and the multiple charging ports are divided and clearly noted by wattage, which makes it convenient to understand which goes where. That's why I think it also makes an awesome gift idea, especially for male friends who love their tech. And right now, Mfish is running a promotion. With every order on their website, you get a free cable included. They've also got a special program where my audience gets 10% off, and I will share a special link with you. Please check the details in the description section below.